Hello and welcome back to Wok Today. And what are we cooking today?
Today we're going to make stir-fry bamboo shoot.
Wow, slightly unusual to our normal dishes, I have to say.
With our pork belly.
So we're making it with pork, are we?
Yes.
What do we actually need to make a stir-fry bamboo with pork?
So we're going to need a bamboo shoot. You can use like fresh bamboo shoot or pickles bamboo.
Okay.
Yeah.
And if you want to see how we prepare the bamboo and how we actually harvest it, there's a full video on that. But you can use canned bamboo shoots. It's absolutely fine.
Yeah.
And what else do we need?
Pork belly, or you can use another protein. Yeah, but today I'm going with pork belly.
Pork belly.
Yeah.
Loads of flavour in the pork belly.
Yep.
Lots of fat.
Lots of fat. And we're going to need cooking oil, oyster sauce, fish sauce, seasoning powder, and chili and garlic.
To prepare your chili and garlic, you can use it in a pestle and mortar, and you just put your chilies and your garlic in, garlic whole with the skin on, and just smash it up. Or if you haven't got that, just use a grinder. That's absolutely fine.
Yeah.
And what else? Anything?
And Thai sweet basil.
Thai sweet basil.
Yeah.
That smells delicious, by the way. It's really, really good. If you can't get that, just use normal basil.
Yeah.
All right, so what do we need to do to start to make this?
First, we're gonna have to light this thing up. So this dish is quite quick and easy to make. You want to cook it with high heat.
High heat, all right. So once you've got your pan nice and hot, with a little bit of oil in there, get that oil nice and hot. How much oil are we going in with?
2 tablespoons as usual.
Too heavy. Two heavy tablespoons. Always a little bit extra, isn't there? All right. What else? Or do we just let that heat up a little bit?
Yeah, just give it a nice
we're going
swing.
A swing.
Nice swing.
Swirl, a swing, a swill.
Yeah.
A spill. Try not to spill.
Yeah.
Right, we're struggling on this a little bit, but we'll be all right.
Once the oil is nice and hot, we're gonna go in with chili and garlic.
Right, in with your chili and garlic. Be aware, this is gonna do your eyes in a little bit.
Yeah.
And even me being outside, this is a little bit hot. So, if you're inside, open your windows or get your extractor fan on pretty damn good. All in?
Yep.
Wow.
Go for it. Give it a stir.
Now, straight away, that is kicking the back of my throat, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, it's not only me. It is not only me.
Okay, when the garlic giving nice golden color, we go in with the pork belly.
All right, chuck it
cook
in.
it off.
Wow.
Yep.
All right, so we're just browning this off, are we?
Yep.
Yeah.
Cook it.
Cook it off all the way?
Yep.
Okay, fantastic.
This gonna need like 1 or 2 minutes or more.
All right, so we'll just brown off our meat. It is really, really spicy, that, isn't it?
Yeah.
I think the wind's going that way. So, oh yes, we'll be back in one moment once we've browned this off. Don't forget to give it a good stir though, guys. Yeah. You don't want to just burn one side of it.
Give it a good stir. Make sure your pork is cooked.
Oh, nothing worse than undercooked pork, but I'll tell you what, there's nothing worse of. A mouthful of that. Wow, that is very spicy.
This is how Tom likes it.
Oof, not sure about that. So I would like to say that this is definitely not a Western style Thai dish. This is a serious, authentic Thai dish.
Yeah.
And
well, if you don't eat like spicy, you can just skip the chili. It's optional.
A little less chili.
Yeah.
Yeah, put as much chili in as you desire. This one, is to gift his taste buds. And I do think tasting could be an issue on this one as well for me. Right, so now we've ground off that pork, what are we going in with?
Now we're gonna go in with bamboo shoot.
The bamboo shoot,
Yeah.
straight in. Okay, do you want to throw that in? Wow. All right, so we have actually got a whole video on Gifty sending me out into the rainforest to harvest the bamboo shoot, and then we actually prepare the bamboo. There's quite a lot to preparing the bamboo, so it's not something that you can do the same day, which is why we've done basically a bit of a video on that at the same time as a bit of a day in the life video. So if you want to see how to prepare the bamboo, then you can check out that video. Wow, that's spicy.
Yeah.
Whew. Then you can check out that video. Otherwise, just buy your bamboo already prepared, which is probably what you're going to be doing in the West. Okay?
Yeah.
If you can find any wild bamboo to harvest, then, well, congratulations. It's only the very, very start of the bamboo.
Yeah,
like I
like
said.
baby bamboo.
Yeah, go and check out the other video if you want to see the bamboo. What's going in next?
Now we're gonna start seasoning our stir-fried bamboo.
Okay, with how much of what?
We're gonna go in with tiny bits of the seasoning powder, like 1 teaspoon.
1 teaspoon, yeah, definitely.
Oyster sauce, I'm gonna go in with like 3 tablespoons.
Yeah, this is where
Love oyster sauce.
a lot of flavour comes from the oyster sauce.
1 tablespoon of the
Just
chili.
one?
Yeah. Just
Okay, give that a good stir.
Yep. Tiny bit.
Whoa!
Now, when you mix it well together, we're gonna go in with our sweet basil, and this will be the last stage.
That'll be the last bit.
Yeah.
So this is so simple.
Really, really simple.
It's nearly done.
Like for you people who like, you know, pad kapao, it's actually this. It's the same way of cooking pad kapao, but just you change it to sweet basil to spicy basil. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna go in with sweet basil. Yes, and just give it a good stir. And now it's ready.
So in the pad kapow,
Yeah.
that also has loads of bamboo in it.
Some people put put bamboo in it, and then some just don't.
Yeah, if it's Western style pad kapow.
No bamboo.
Just thought I'd add that little bit in there because most Western pad kapows, or most Western people will not think about bamboo.
Yeah. But give it a try if you're in Thailand, you know. If you wonder what bamboo shoot tastes like, just give it a try. Order it.
That is true.
Yeah.
Okay, the spice level on this is starting to...
And now it's done.
That's finished.
Yes.
Thank goodness for that. I am getting that off the heat. All right, guys, so let's plate it up and give it a try, shall we?
Yes.
Yeah? All right, you do the plating. You always make it look better than me. I've got to say, that actually looks pretty damn good.
Yep.
Am I going to risk it? I hope we've got some drinks on standby. That's all I'm saying, because I know that this is going to be a bit spicy for me. But as always, ladies first. Come on, give it a try. And come on, guys, how simple was that? It has actually only taken us about
5 minutes.
5 minutes. Yeah. And I will go for a piece of pork. Why not? We've got another one here. I can see a piece of chili on it. It's going to blow my brains out. Mmm.
Bamboo, man.
So it's
Then
good.
you can tell them like what is the bamboo taste like.
What the fresh bamboo tastes like. Okay, go for a piece of bamboo. What does bamboo taste like?
For me, as an Asian, I would describe it as a hard soy sprout. Tastes like soy sprout, but just the texture is just a little bit harder, more crispy. More like
That's the texture of it, yeah, but what's the flavour of it?
Nothing.
All right, guys, as always, if there's anything that you want us to cook, drop us a comment. And, well, we'll see you next time. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
And if you would like to see more of the authentic Thai dishes or some Western, let us know what you actually want to be seeing. Because things like this might be a little bit more difficult for you to cook.
Yeah.
Anyway, until next week. What do we actually need to make a bamboo shoot stir-fried? Hold on. What's it called?
Stir fry bamboo shoot.
There's
Sweet basil. Thai
no-
sweet basil.
But there's no mint in
That means mixing it.
there. Okay.
Oh! How are we gonna turn that off? I'll click it up.
No. Wait. Just leave it a minute, it's alright. Slight issue. The wind protector's melted the
Handle. No, the switch, the handle.
yeah, the knob for the I have to get a tool. Be right back.
This is how I like our kitchen cooking outside.
I'll give that one to your dad. We're finished with it now. We'll get a new one. New ones.
I think the new one, I better use the one with the gas in.
Yeah,
Like the proper one. Yeah.
Slightly wind protected.
Mm.